Hello everyone, welcome to today's stock review. I am very excited to be back and provide you with extremely valuable content. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification button so that you'll always be the first to receive our videos. I'm Troglodidi from SimpleTrade, and today I will be reviewing the stock PRDL. The stock increased its value by more than 300%. Let's see why. The stock was under the stop sign for quite some time, as well as through TD Ameritrade's deadline on the 6th of September. The panic and lack of ability to buy the stock through several brokers caused the decrease in value on the day after. Since then, the company have uploaded all the necessary filings in order to become fully compliant and progressed to the pink limited tier, therefore enabling the purchase of the stock in all of the brokers. Unsurprisingly, we can see that the stock started with a gap up the day it received the limited status and has been rising ever since. The main reason for the rise nowadays is the anticipation of the pink current status that seems closer than ever, especially with the amended attorney letter uploaded a couple of days ago. Another thing causing the rise is the incoming significant share reduction. PRDL is one of the stocks led by the famous custodian group Alpha Capital. Thus, it is also awaiting a merger. In addition to that, all of the stocks of Alpha Capital are promised to not have a reverse split in the incoming 2 years. Notice how someone who has a plan and does not get discouraged by panic could have made almost 400% when all the market panicked. I hope you have learned from the video and have gotten a better idea of how to evaluate the market. Alas, there is no substitute for a good education in any topic. Consider checking out our new course. For that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our Discord community of SimpleTrade. See you all out there and have a successful day.